today we are here with Mr. Lloyd McLean. Come on, baby. Come up. Let me see your shirt. And we are talking about science, technology, engineering, and
math.
Wow. Okay, you can sit down now. All right, so today we're going to be working through drones, and this is all encumbering of our STEM camp and STEM extravaganza to today. All right, so the drones that we have today are the Dowlin drones, okay? And we are going to put them together. It's the mini drones for kids so they can learn to fly them and understand a little bit more about spatial learning. So here we go, and we have an amazing demonstration. When, Papa?
Yeah.
Today!
Today!
All right, be there, be square at the STEM extravaganza.